district. In fact, it has also impacted the entire Dibang region, including Dibang Valley district and Lower Dibang Valley district. The people are very much worried till now since multiple numbers of tigers were reported to have been located in this region close to Mayodhya, which is a very unique tourist spot which witnesses snowfall. And there are a lot of people who like to visit this place time and again, particularly during the winters. Well, after this incident took place, during which one person was unfortunately killed by the tiger, and after that, the forest department has claimed that one tiger has been killed by by somebody. So we have the DFO of rowing with us now. Like to know from him straightly that what happened actually for the entire episode. So, sir, what do you like to say? Entire thing unfolded quite a days back when there were several pictures which were went viral in the social media. And the main allegation from the people and the government agencies are also that why didn't you act when these pictures or videos were in the social media? And people are of the belief, obviously, that this unfortunate death would have been prevented if you have taken some precautionary steps, which in fact you are taking now.
Yes. Like I have addressed the media, multiple media channels before also. So I would like to again reiterate. The incident has been very unfortunate. It is very, very painful incident, and nothing can replace the loss of the bereaved family. None of any explanation, none of whatever compensation, ex gratia can replace the loss of the human life and of the family member. It's really painful, more so for the family. About the incident, the videos were viral in the month of January, but after that, the department and the division, myself, DFO, and the concerned RFO, Magoni Lingi, we had given out advisory in form of video. It can be and it was circulated also. And before that, from the month of December itself, intensive patrolling was being done in that area, and even the videos are there in our social media also, where we had interacted with people, truck drivers, four-wheeler drivers, and all. And I think the forest fire of January 13, 2026, it triggered the events, the sequence of events. And from even after the forest fire also, for almost 10 days, there were continuous patrolling in that area. Personally, me and RFO also, we were patrolling in that same area on foot in the midnight. It's all there in the timestamp videos of our social media handle. So it can be seen, and we have all records of the patrolling teams which was stationed at Mayodhya in that area. And this is a very unfortunate incident. And
Sir, now after the incident, what steps are being taken? Which was killed. What is the report? Is this the same tiger which killed the person, or among those tigers who are being seen now? Because people have doubts on that also, that this tiger is not from here and being used by somebody to just as a cover up.
okay, like the questions.
What is
Yeah.
your plan of action now?
Yeah. After the incident, the department has deployed expert teams from various divisions, from Namdapha National Park and Tiger Reserve, Kamlang Tiger Reserve, and our veterinary support from CBRC Pakke Tiger Reserve, and from Itanagar Biological Park, and of course WTI Tinsukia also. And the entire teams, they have been given different tasks. Some are in tracking, some are ensuring the safety of the other adjoining areas so that this incident doesn't repeat again. And we're having total coordinated efforts under the chairpersonship of CCF Teju, Manu sir, IFS. So under him, whatever incidents are, whatever direct or indirect signs are being reported to us, our teams are being sent to Desali, to every places near in this landscape. And regarding the question of that is what is being said a lot and seen in the social media that the tigers have been introduced, I would like to take this opportunity to categorically state that that is totally false. In the whole world, India has one of the most strict rules, regulations and protocols for tigers, whether it is wild tiger or it is a captive tiger which comes in the zoos. A tiger cannot be moved from even one place without lots of permissions, lots of studies. So it is totally impossible. And we will be writing to CZA also, Delhi, where we will be seeking their statement to clear these doubts which is being circulated in the social media that tigers have been introduced. It is totally impossible. State government has to take permission from the central government, NTCA. It's not possible.
So now are you going to tranquilize it, or you said that relocation is not a easy process, and then but are you going to tranquilize it, or are you have the needed infrastructure, equipments? Is there any lack of equipments?
We are capable. We have a very capable team here, and in the average tracking of wild tiger, big animal like tiger, which is a very shy animal, it can go in months. But we are having targets of days, and we are really hopeful that we will locate the tiger, the target problem tiger, and whatever necessary steps are to be taken are being taken. And we have multiple darting teams, we have tracking teams, we are using different drones also, different categories of drones, and we are really hopeful that with the full support of the public and even especially the panchayat, who have been like coming forward to help us now, and we're getting minute-to-minute updates from our PRIs, the panchayat functionaries. They are giving us report minute-to-minute, and through good coordinated efforts, we're really hopeful to locate the target tiger, subtitle tiger.
Thank you.
Sir, one more question, sir. Sir, you just said that it is the fire incident which was the very reason of tiger sighting. If this fire incident is the reason, then where is the rest animal? Only the tiger is seen in only the tiger is seen in that area. Is seen in that area. Why rest of the animals are gone? We don't see any deer, any leopard, any other animals. Why only tiger are being sighted there due to that fire incident?
Tiger and leopard, they do share the area, but leopard normally avoids any tiger area, because if they interact, then tiger kills the leopard. So leopard will be always going through the tiger area, but they will not share the area. If tiger is there, leopard will be mostly passing through it or hiding from that tiger area actually.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more thing, sir. If with reference to the complaint letter lodged by our ZPM, Mama Miso, sir, it was lodged on 29 of January, but then tiger incident has occurred on the 2nd of February, right? It took nearly 4 days So, sir, after getting the complaint letter, why you were this ignorant? And sir, do you really think that you and your department are solely responsible for the loss of this life or not, sir?
Yes, like I said, the loss is the loss is too big. We cannot, we can never compensate it. But I would like to inform that we always had a dedicated post at Mayodhya because of the first sighting of tigers in April 2025. And in December also, our whole team was there in all those hills. They were trekking from Mayodhya Pass area and coming through the hills, and they were there in that area only on foot. And myself and RFO Magoni Lingi, we were in that area only for many days in the month of January. Midnight patrolling, foot patrolling we were doing. And when that complaint came, when that letter came from the ZPM, we were already in the field, and we were very satisfied that we have taken all the precautionary measures, and we were on the foot patrol, and we never expected that this incident can happen. What happened on 2nd Feb, and we had taken satisfactory, because we were there on the road and we were interacting with the people, but many of the works which we do, they don't go noticed, because like only those people who must have traveled in the night, they must have seen us. But and like when we were doing patrolling in that forest area where that tiger were there, those things we have been doing for months, but वो नहीं निकलता है, like मतलब हमारे काम जो दिखाई नहीं देता है, but our team were always there in that area.
I want to ask one question.
Yeah.
It can be technical and it's not very fair also. So why don't we put a permanent GPS tracker? Because we don't have many tigers here, very few numbers of tigers, right? So even for safety, don't you think it's better that we just put a permanent GPS tracker on every tiger? That would be better way to save the tiger or to see the act or their
Yes.
moves.
Yes, there are
Maybe this can be suggestion also. It's not a question, it's a suggestion also if that's not happening here.
Yes, there are different strategies which we can form. That is also one, but we have to when an animal is declared, or especially tiger is declared as a problem animal, then we can take those measures.
Okay.
Maybe radio collaring the animal.
Radio call.
Yes, but I would just like to take this opportunity to just clarify one thing, that tigers are very shy animal, and this incident where they were seen on the road, this is a very unique incident and event. And mostly tigers, they avoid human beings and they avoid disturbed areas. And of course, this incident it has created lots of panic in the entire landscape, from down there to up. But I would just like to appeal the public that let us show a little bit of calm here, and really we seek your support. The department collectively, we are trying our best. We really need the support of public, and especially the panchayat, PRI members, functionaries, and we will handle this problem in due course of time.
Thank you.
One more, sir. Sir, you just said that tigers are very shy animal,
Yes.
and they fear from the and moreover they fear from humans also. So, sir, after seeing the many videos which is uploaded in the social media, don't you really think that tigers' behavior, especially in the Mayodhya area, running they are running after the trailer or what a truck, consider it a truck, trailer, or like waiting for something, like asking for some food or what, they are waiting on the roadsides. They have been spotted, they are very much familiar with the vehicles and the humans also.
Don't
So
they get enough food inside? Yeah.
so such behaviors really doesn't indicate or doesn't make you to consider that they are not exactly wild. They are tamed or domesticated, or they might be from some other migrated. They might be migrated from some other national reserve or what?
Yeah, that pair of the tigers, they are of the age sub-adult. So at that time they have just separated from their mother. We don't know whether the mother pushed them away or what happened to the mother. We don't know. So at that stage they are very adventurous. They don't know which target, which are the prey. They don't know like whether to go there or not. So that is the age, sub-adult age, where they've just left their mother. So at that time they are adventurous. And about that viral videos, we really need to like once this we have done some good progress in locating the problem tiger and all. We will be looking back at all these social media videos which are being uploaded, and where they really, all those videos where they're taken in a matter of few days, or they were as claimed for months. That we have to determine, because we were there on the field. We were continuously going up and down from Mayodhya to this Tiwari Gaon area. We never encountered those two tigers. So yes, of course those tigers videos must be real, but how temporarily, how at what range of dates those videos were taken, we have to really find it out. Because what it is understood so far is that many different people have taken the videos of those two tigers, and they have been uploading in different dates, and it just seems that it has been there for months. But just like I'll take the example of Desali. Just 3 days ago, Rowing Times uploaded a video saying that two tigers been sighted in Desali area, Desali or Hunli area. But that video was from January 18. And that January 18 video, after we received that video, our team had gone to Desali, and we had done the survey. We interacted with the Gaonbura also there. But that video just came out 3 days back saying tiger has been sighted. So lots of like this misinformation are going on in the social media. So once all this are settled, we'll be looking back at all these videos and find out like what was the temporal range of the videos which came out in social media.
And
Okay, sir.
about this tiger which got killed,
Yes.
what is your submission?
Yes, we have got the initial preliminary reports, and we got the report of the necropsy, and we have found out that it is almost very sure that that was a problem tiger. Yes.
Okay, sir. What is your action plan to regain the normal situation in that area, sir?
Uh,
No.
Can we move that?
No, let us
we are
guide
blocking the traffic from